welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Kylie. Today is Tasty Tuesday, and I am going to show how to make my own version of fluffy donut mug cake in 1 minute. This donut can be mixed up in less than 5 minutes and cooked in 1 minute with no need of a fryer, and it tastes like a real donut. Let's start making it. Follow me! In a small-sized mug, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, one and a half tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1.5 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Crack 1 egg and beat it. Put half of our beaten egg into the mixture and mix until smooth. So now we're done with our mixture, and we're going to cut a piece of parchment paper and roll it and put it in the center of our mixture to make a hole in our donut. And put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Remove the parchment paper and there will be an instant hole in our donut. And for the icing, add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of milk, and 1 drop of your favorite food coloring. And mix until thoroughly combined. put the sugar icing on top of our donut. And top it with some sprinkles. Let's try our finished product. This is yum! This is absolutely delicious! This donut is a must try. It's super easy and absolutely delicious. That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to big thumbs up and comment down below other things you want to see and I'll make it happen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for good vibes. See you not tomorrow but on the next day. Peace out.